Hello, and welcome to Master Speak English. Here, we learn English through real-life stories, not just grammar rules. In today's video, you'll join Maria for a peaceful tour of her home. And as you listen, you'll learn how to describe rooms, objects, and daily life in natural, easy English. It's the perfect way to grow your vocabulary and speaking skills step by step, room by room. Let's begin. Hi there, and welcome to my home. My name is Maria. I live in a quiet neighborhood, in a small but peaceful apartment. Today, I want to take you with me, room by room, to show you where I live, how I live, and maybe help you learn some English along the way. This is my entrance. As soon as I come home, I take off my shoes and place them here on the shoe rack. There's a mirror above the table, and sometimes I leave a flower here, just to make the space feel fresh. This is my living room, my favorite place to rest. The sofa is soft and warm. I often sit here in the evening with a cup of tea, and sometimes I read or just look out the window. There's a bookshelf in the corner full of my favorite novels and a few English books too. I'm still learning. My dining table is small, but it's perfect for one. I love having breakfast here in the quiet morning, tea, toast, and my notebook. I often write down new English words I've learned. The window brings in light, and sometimes I watch the birds fly by. My kitchen is not big, but I love it. In the mornings, I boil the water in this kettle and make mint tea. I cook simple meals with fresh vegetables and warm spices like turmeric and cumin. To me, cooking is not just food, it's a way to take care of myself. And this is my bedroom. I like to keep it peaceful and clean. White sheets, soft pillows, and a thick gray blanket keep me warm in the winter. Sometimes, before bed, I read a few pages or write in my journal. This is where I feel most calm. This is my bathroom. Quiet, small, and simple. I light this candle in the evening and wash the day away. There's something peaceful about the sound of water and the scent of soap. And finally, my little balcony. I have a few plants here: mint, lavender, and even a small lemon tree. Sometimes I sit here at sunset with a cup of tea and just breathe. The sky changes color, and for a moment, everything feels still. This is my home. Not perfect, not big, but full of small moments I love. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this tour, and if you're learning English like I am, keep going. You're not alone. See you next time, here on Master Speak English.